guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. In today's video, we are going to be talking all about this thing right here, and this one is called Panty Fresh. Yes, you've heard it right. It's called Panty Fresh. Before I let you know what this Panty Fresh is all about, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet, and also hit the bell right next to it. That way you can get notifications whenever I upload new videos, which I do a lot of beauty reviews and tutorials, so check out my past videos as well. Anyway, just a quick announcement. I am currently doing a makeup giveaway here on my YouTube channel. So if you do live in the United States, check it out. Enter. There is a link down in the description box for you guys to check it out. And this one is for everyone. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram because I am currently doing a $200 gift card giveaway at Sephora and Ulta. So click the link in my description box on that one as well and come and enter. I am always doing a giveaway on my Instagram, so follow me there, guys, because it's your chance to win. Alright guys, so Panty Fresh. So this is what the packaging looks like. I actually met the CEO of Panty Fresh at BeautyCon last month, and she was an amazing lady, came up with this idea. And this is basically for every woman of every age. So what this is, feeling clean, fresh, and confident has never been more convenient when you are on the go. Panty Fresh on the go includes everything you need to completely freshen yourself up after a long day of unexpected surprises. Seamless panty, hypoallergenic, refreshing wipe, ultra thin, multi-form panty liner, and wash me bag are all packed in a small, lightweight and portable pouch that fits in the palm of your hand. So this is what it comes with, okay? So this little box comes with 4 different things. Comes with a on-the-go baggie, and inside the baggie it has 3 other things in here. So one is your feminine wipes, which looks like this. The other one is your panty liner. And the last one here is your granny panties, or it could also be a thong. So I chose the granny panties because that's the only thing that they have in my size. So this is what it looks like. Comes in, I think, white and black. And I gotta say, I'm more comfortable with wearing panties than wearing thongs. I don't know. Thong is weird to me. I don't know. I just don't like the feeling of, you know, nothing getting up there in between your buns. I don't know. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. So I really like the comfort level of the fabric of this panty, and I do like that it's very thin, it's very light, and it's very subtle. Like, you would never know that I am carrying another underwear in this little box right here. This is awesome. Even for me, I'm always cautious at work. Sometimes I don't know when my period is gonna come because I'm one of those people that don't get them like in time at all times. So, and yeah, definitely check them out because they have a great cause here, and I feel like, you know, companies like this should be supported. And I really enjoyed meeting with the CEO and, you know, like just getting to know the team. I think that they have a great team, they have a great concept, and I do love everything about this brand. Alright guys, so that is it. Don't forget to check out my giveaways, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye. Thank you.